Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of Shopmas 2022. So there's Vlogmas, and then since I'm Shop with Sarah, I like to do kind of like a Vlogmas, but I like to do themed days of holiday content throughout the month of December. Now Vlogmas is where you vlog for the 24 days or 25 days or the whole month of December, and I kind of did a play on words with that. So that is how Shopmas was born. So I just bring holiday content like recipes, makeup, stockings like we're doing today, gift ideas. I do a vlog here and there, so it's fun stuff. But I also do that including my regular content. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Sarah and welcome. I like to show people how to save money. I also like to show people how to do things a little bit cheaper than the normal thing. So I do like to splurge here and there, and I coupon so that I can do splurging. So it's a double-edged sword basically. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you the stocking ideas and stuffers that I have for my daughter who is 21. I think I started this when she was 18, and that was a very rough video. But anyways, we're going to take a look at her stocking. So typically in the past, I have done a very, very large stocking for my daughter. I had one growing up, and me and my mom, we do the stuff together. She's the only grandchild, so we go all out on her. But this time we're splitting it up, and I'm doing a regular size stocking, and so is my mom. And we asked her, we said, do you still need a giant stocking, or are you okay with getting a regular size stocking now? And she's like, oh, I'm okay with a regular size stocking. So anyways, this is going to be her stocking. It has an S on it because that's the first letter of her name. And we've got some good stuff in here. Now, we don't typically stuff them and then hang them on the fireplace. We typically stuff them and then we put them on the couch. And I like to put a few things around the stocking that maybe are, Santa brought a little too much. So I usually put a couple of things that are a little bit too big for the stocking or just won't fit. And before we get into it, I do apologize about the glare on my lenses. Anti-glare, it didn't work. But anyways, the first thing that's going to be on the outside of the stocking is going to be this Touchland sanitizer set. This comes from the Sephora VIB sale, and it comes with 5. And this is something that you can only get during the holidays. So I got this and been saving it for her. I also got one for me too, because I use this one right here and I absolutely love it. And this retails for $40. And I will have everything linked down below if you're interested in purchasing something like this. The next thing that I got her that's going to go on the outside of her stocking is this Laneige sleeping lip mask or lip sleeping mask. It comes with 5 little bitty tiny ones. This retailed for $19. They're actually pretty small. You can get a full size one at Sephora and a few other places for $24. But I thought it would be fun to try out the different flavors that they have. So this is retailing for $19, also from Sephora. So the next thing that I have for her that's going to go on the outside of her stocking is a Bath & Body Works candle. This one is so chic, I think. It is absolutely beautiful. This is the Peppermint Hot Chocolate Candle, and I got it last year during Candle Day, which actually starts tonight. But I got this, and it's beautiful. And it smells really, really good. It smells just like peppermint hot chocolate. And the notes on here are cool peppermint, silky milk chocolate, and sweet cream. So a perfect holiday candle. And I just think it's gorgeous. These normally retail for, well, this one on the bottom here says $25.50, but I think it's now $26.50. But anyways, Candle Day prices are typically $9.95. So definitely saved money on that one. Now getting to the stuff in her actual stocking. So this is something that I did coupon for. So what I like to do when I show you products like this, I like to show you how I got them and what I paid for them. So I got the Native body wash right here, and this is the new Native facial cleanser. And so these retail for, this one is $9.99 and this one is $11.29. I got these at CVS, so I was able to get them for a lot cheaper than that. I think I ended up paying about $6 for each one. Not super great in the world of couponing, but as a gift and something like this, I had no problem paying the $6 for each one of them. So the next thing in her stocking that I'm getting her is this Way Scalp Serum. Sorry for the little bit of shadow there, But this scalp serum, it supports thicker, fuller hair, and it's obviously a serum for your scalp. And I thought my daughter would really like to use this. This retails for $52. Now, I know that sounds crazily expensive. This is what it looks like out of the packaging, a nice thick frosted glass bottle. And so, like I got the other items from Sephora, I got them during the VIB sale, and the VIB sale is something depending on what level you are in the rewards program. You get a certain amount of, a certain percentage off, which you don't typically get. The VIB sale started back in October, and if you were a Rouge level, then you got everything for 20% off. So everything that I got here from Sephora is 20% off. This, of course, is not sponsored by Sephora, but I did see starting the 3rd, I do believe it is, there is a small time period where you can get anything for 20% off, and here's a little thing here. And if you want to get stuff like this and you're not a Rouge member, that would be a time to get it. All right, what's the next thing? The next thing is some moisturizing socks. These are the Super Cozy Comfort socks called the Cozies from Bath & Body Works. And I thought this would be nice to wear in the wintertime for dryness because Michigan has such dry winters. It's just a common thing. Let's see here. What else do we got in here? What is this? Oh, it's a pop socket. So she loves sunflowers and she loves yellow. So I wanted to keep this for her. I got this at Walgreens. I do believe it was 90% off. So I think it was only like 99 cents. So, I mean, that's savings right there. So yeah, pop sockets are good for almost anybody for Christmas time. So what else we got? This right here. So I've never used this. I've heard really good things about it. So I also picked this up at the Sephora sale. This is the Color Wow Miracle Moisture Mist. It's Dream Coat for curly hair. She has curly hair like me, although it doesn't look very curly today, but we both have a naturally weird wavy hair. So I thought she would really like this. I do believe this retails for $28 and I got it at Sephora. So let's see what else we got in here. What's that? Oh, we got some. So next we have the number 7 eyeshadow palette. This is just a Christmas thing and I got this at Walgreens. This is beautiful. I got one for myself. So this is $15. Back when I got it a few weeks ago, it was buy one, get one 50% off. And then I used Walgreens cash to pay for it because it's gorgeous. So I got this for myself and it's just beautiful. So what do we got next? The next thing we have here, this is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush. If you have not used this before and you like makeup and you like Sephora, this is definitely one to try out. Oh my gosh. So since this Soft Pinch blush come out, I bought it. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. So the normal size one here retails for $20. And I honestly don't think that that's terrible. Considering blush at the drugstore can be $12, $13, $14, $15. I don't think that that is terrible. And it's such good quality. So this one has a full-size one and a mini one. And I'll put on the screen here how much this retailed for because I think it was $28. And then you got the 20% off. So this is beautiful and she's going to love it. And it's the brand by Selena Gomez. So if you like Selena Gomez, it's definitely good to get that and support her. So what is the next thing? Oh, just something little. And this is the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Treatment. I get this a lot when it's on sale at CVS. It usually comes in a double pack. I just threw one in there and I like to put this on for lip balm and it works so much better than anything I've ever tried. And you want to use the regular one. You do not want to use the lip treatment one. So what else do we have in here? So this is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. It's like a foundation. I love this stuff. So I thought I would give her one. I got this when a Walgreens was going out of business. Not going out of business, just that location was closing. And I picked up a ton of makeup. And I grabbed a couple of these. I love this stuff. And I think it's normally like $14. And that's how I saved money on it because I think it was like 75% off. So there is that. Just got a couple more things, I promise. Oh, this is a fun one because we both have a huge love for Starbucks. So when the new Starbucks holiday cups come out, I was able to snag an ornament. I usually am not that quick, so I was able to get one of these ornaments, and these retail for $10. So you can pick these up at your Starbucks. And then I think we have one more thing, and it is a Welly first aid. I'm gonna put it over here on the lighter side. I don't know why it's so darker over here, but this is a Welly first aid kit, and the packaging isn't on it, but it doesn't really matter. But you open it up and it has big Band-Aids, small Band-Aids, hand sanitizer, and triple antibiotic ointment. So I thought this would be good. I've gotten a lot of these from CVS, and I put them in everybody's backpacks, purses, cars, whatever. It's really nice to have these, and they're in a really nice tin that you can reuse. And so I typically have gotten these at a CVS, where I usually can get them for at least 75% off after the deals. So that is everything that I got for her. So there was a little bit more in that stocking than I thought there was gonna be, but it all fit in there quite nicely except the few extras that I threw in there. But anyways, guys, that is really it. If you want to purchase any of that stuff, there will be links down below. I do make a small commission from that, but it's not required or anything that you have to do it, and it doesn't cost you anything. So if you want to purchase from the links down below, go ahead and do that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Oh! Hey, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today... No, that won't work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of Shopmas 2022. This is my third year of doing it. And basically what Shopmas is I do periodically. Another thing I got her from Sephora was this Laneige sleep mask. What is it called? I don't even know. Put her sleeves down. So the next thing I got her was this Sephora.